Having trouble sending picture messages or group texts on Total Wireless? MMS problems often stem from incorrect APN settings, group text limitations, or Wi-Fi assist interference. First, let's quickly check your APN settings. Access your phone's settings, then go to Network, Access Point Names. Make sure your APN is set to Total. MMSC is https://mms.totalwireless.com and MMS proxy is mms3.totalwireless.com 80. Incorrect APN settings after phone updates are a common cause of MMS failure. Next, if group texts are failing, try limiting the number of participants or ensure you have a strong cellular connection. Finally, disable Wi-Fi assist or adaptive connectivity on Pixel phones. This feature can interfere with MMS because MMS requires a cellular data connection. It tries to use Wi-Fi, and if the Wi-Fi is unstable, it can prevent MMS from sending or receiving. If the quick fixes don't work, it's time for deeper troubleshooting. Check for any reported Total Wireless network outages in your area, especially during peak hours. Outages can cause temporary MMS failures. Also, make sure your device's firmware is up to date, as Total Wireless frequently releases updates to improve network compatibility. Looking ahead, MMS is gradually being replaced by RCS, Rich Communication Services. Total Wireless has already integrated Verizon's RCS on many devices, reducing reliance on MMS. Wi-Fi calling and MMS over Wi-Fi are also becoming more prevalent. However, in the long term, experts predict MMS will become obsolete, replaced by IP-based messaging apps like WhatsApp and potentially AI-driven solutions that detect and fix these issues. For now, keeping your APN settings correct, managing group text sizes, and understanding Wi-Fi assist are essential for reliable MMS on Total Wireless. If you're still having issues, consider contacting Total Wireless support.